All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to make a proper omelet. So we start off with some butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I've got some onions, mushrooms, peppers, and what we're going to do is we're going to saute all the veggies like that. We're working with that. We'll do some Himalayan pink salt, and we'll do some fresh pepper. So a couple things. I like to saute the veggies all together in the same pan. First of all the vitamins, all the flavor is all going to be inside that egg once we add that. You're only using one pan instead of sauteing the veggies first and then using another pan to cook the eggs. And it's quick. So we'll get a nice saute on those. As you can see, I'm sauteing up. We're going to add some tomatoes. And lastly, we're going to kick in some spinach. So you can see I did the peppers and onions since they take a little bit more time to cook. And then we'll do the tomatoes and spinach last. You can do anything you want in this omelet. So whatever veggies you like, as long as they're keto friendly, will be good. All right, get the nice saute going on there. And I've got 3 eggs here. Very simple, whip them up. If you want to throw a little heavy cream in, you can. If not, just the eggs are fine. So we'll let that cook a little bit. Now this is the key. As those eggs cook, just push towards the middle and tilt the pan. Push the eggs to the middle, tilt the pan. What that does is it keeps the liquid egg to the outside to cook, and it pushes and folds to the center. So you can see you're pushing that cooked egg in and you're getting rid of that liquid egg. And it gets nice folds to it. It keeps the eggs from being too hard. Now we're going to do the flip. Like so. We're going to take our cheese, spread our cheese on. Get a good amount of cheese on that. Let that cook a little bit. You don't have to worry about melting the cheese because as soon as you fold it over, that cheese is going to melt. All right, now we're going to take it and we'll throw it on the pan, or from the pan. We can put a little cheese on top. And there you have it. Perfect omelet.